Hey Trip and Tea, this is Brittany. I wanted to show you a little improvement regarding replacement status. Before I was kind of just setting up a task. Here's a ticket where we had to replace something, and I've got a task where I've already entered the replacement order, and then I set up a task for me to just check on the status of it, just make sure it ships and make sure the customer's updated. And I just manually check on it. But now I actually set up a report in E2, and as soon as a replacement ships out, the following morning I get an email report for replacement orders that shipped, and I can open this up, and this shows me any orders with the PO containing RPL, which is on every replacement, and it shows me that this one shipped out yesterday. So this will just help me stay really up to date on the status of replacements as soon as they ship out. Thanks.